Right. Could be worse. Already done it. Bit of wash coming, look out. Oh, that's the box. I'm glad we didn't go this bad.
A lot of people usually would have been to Valletta first. Valletta's only one city. I'll just show you a bit the map just to get your bearings.
I'm going to the side of
Coming up on your left are the earliest landward fortifications in military technology. During the Second World War, a number of shelters were dug into the side. Please drive through it and make a left turn once inside the fort. Is where the Ottoman Observation Command and Control Center was. Vittoriosa and St. Elmo. In 1670, in 1914, Fort Verdala served as a prisoner of war camp for famous German sailors such as the SMS Emden crew. Grand Harbor participated in a number of very exciting races, marked by the harbor. It's easy to see why this area is a major attraction to yacht.
First time I've done one of these. It's a little bit like driving a golf cart, really nice and easy. We're on the main street in Valletta, so it's just really getting used to the traffic. But I'm enjoying it, and what a beautiful day to be doing it with.
From the early 12th century, after the conquest of Sicily, the Normans incorporated elements from Islam nobility lived.
Turn right. Right.
Do you want to buy any milk? Any milk, anyone? Milk, anyone? Milk? Do you want some milk? Where have you come from? Capisco! Capisco!
There we go.
After 200 meters, turn left. Then turn left.
What do you think of that then, Malcolm?
That was absolutely wonderful.
Good fun, isn't it? Good way to see
it is
the
good
island.
fun. It is great, yeah.
Yeah.
Our driver wasn't very good though.
No, the driver was bloody awful.